everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandra, and how exciting, we have a new video. I'm sorry I didn't come and post a video last week. I apologize, but before we get into the details of what we're doing, I'm going to quickly introduce myself. My name is Alexandra. I also go by Alex. I'm a beauty creator here on YouTube. I have a fashion blog and a wrestling podcast. If you're interested in any of those things, go ahead and check below. So yeah, I just been trying to finish some online classes that are due in April, and trying, my kids are remote, so it is a little hard to get things rolling here. So I wanted to apologize about that. Things should get a little better during the upcoming weeks, that I could go ahead and start pumping these videos. So that tends to happen when I leave. I'm a sort of a procrastinator, so I procrastinate on certain things. So when I go ahead and need to submit something, I kind of wait a little longer when I shouldn't. I feel like I drive under pressure, and I shouldn't be doing that because that's no bueno. But yeah, I'm a procrastinator on certain things, but the thing I need to submit in April, it is around the corner, and I'm really procrastinating that I need to hurry up and do it. So I'm kind of delaying on my videos a little longer. So I hope you guys understand why I'm taking a little longer uploading these videos for YouTube in March. You did see I did upload some videos that I created, very short ones, before this one. If you want to see those videos go up first, you have to follow me on either Facebook or Instagram, either one, to see those, because I put those videos are created just for those platforms, and then I upload them later on YouTube for you guys. So but if you're interested on watching those will be there. The looks that I create here are mainly here, and then I just small clips for TikTok, but the full video details are more here for you guys. So certain looks are here and certain looks are there, so I cater to everybody. So yeah, so I kind of wanted to get into my look. I really, to be honest with you, I did not want to come up and do this video. One, because I am tired. I am, like I tell you, I have a lot on my plate, and so I'm really exhausted. So I'm kind of trying my best to figure out the schedule. But I told myself, if I don't sit here and create something very cheerful and kind of to get me into the mood, and this look definitely did that. It definitely got me into the mood, definitely, with this beautiful pink and blue into the eyes. We went ahead and created like a wing with the eyeshadow, and went ahead, did an eyeliner and some glitter. So anything with glitter and any bright colors definitely brightens people's moods. So yeah, so I hope everyone enjoys the video. Very, a little different. I'm trying to get back into more simple looks for my simple girls out there, that I had a few requested videos for more easier looks. I definitely want to do that for you guys, because I know that not everyone is comfortable when it comes to makeup. So I definitely want to do that and kind of like really focus on stuff that it's more on the comfort zone of everyone, because not everyone is comfortable on certain levels when it comes to makeup. Some of us are really more comfortable just putting an eyeliner and just a face. Some of us are with one shadow, just make it simple, and we're kind of like, we'll prefer that. So I'm trying to give everybody everything they are asking for. So bear with me. I am just a one-person show, so everything will be pushed with a matter of time. It's just when a lot of things are just on top of me. Like I said, I procrastinated this little thing I had to submit for April. It is for a class, so I'm kind of trying to play catch up on that. So I am so sorry if the videos will be a little delayed for you guys, so just bear with me. But definitely when that's over, things will be rolling again once a week on Tuesdays when it comes to our videos. I'm probably thinking about moving them to Wednesday, but I'm not sure yet. I will definitely let you guys know. You guys will always know a week in advance of the new schedule if there is a schedule change for the videos. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Very, very cute to kind of get me into the mood of what we're doing, because it's definitely, like I said, I am one tired girl. I am tired, and I'm ready to go to sleep after I finish doing this video for you guys. So I want to say thank you so much for watching the video. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have anything to let me know. If you enjoy the video, if you have any makeup ideas or anything you want me to do, I would definitely do that for you guys. So go ahead and let me know. All right, guys, I want to say have a great week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.